Yo guys, what's up? In this video, we are going to go over today's trade and how I screwed up but yet made up for it at the same time and how you guys can do the same thing. So, let's get straight into this. Um, First off, still ain't got furniture, so we got two lawn chairs that are pretty nice and comfy that I can play Xbox on, I can watch TV and everything else like that instead of having my nice comfy couch and my recliner and yeah, that's besides the point. I'm not upset or anything. Yeah, but this is the trade that I made today. EDAP is up on FDA approval or clearance. I don't remember which one it is, but they're up quite a bit on this. And so you guys see all my lines and everything. I had these up here, and there's actually another one further on up just in case it did run. You guys have to be ready for it to go both ways, especially when they get up so high and they just start consolidating. Um, so this is what I saw first. When I first saw this, I did make money. First thing, I took a trade at almost the market open. Let's see if I can zoom in just a little bit further. I don't need all this stuff. So this was what I saw at first. I actually went long and got up into here and sold up into here and went good. And then instead of going short right here like I should have, I actually went long right here because I figured it would pull back. It pulled all the way back to this pretty much, and then it was going to go back up, or at least try to go back up. It was kind of a stupid trade, so I cut my losses down in here, and then I ended up re-entering. Let's see if we can get this in 380 after this fell, and I saw higher lows. It was a perfect pattern. I can't believe I just didn't see it at first. I mean, it doesn't happen very often where I don't see it, but it did do this pretty well. I mean, you can see it just fell straight through. I know I got a lot of lines. This is where I wanted to take profits, of course, because you see this. I want to take half, and that's what I did actually. I actually ended up getting short at 380. I scalped right here at this 370, so 10 cents a share. Took my profits, made up for that bad trade. So again, I'm still green on the day. And then I let the rest ride down into here. I was holding it right in here because I wanted it to break down into this 340 mark. I mean, it never actually hit there. Oh, those stupid lesson things need to turn them off. It got to 344, and I really honestly thought it was going to break down to like 342 is where I had my cover at, and it just never actually ended up doing it. So I ended up covering it into here at this 355 level. And once I saw it kind of just picking up steam again, I let it pick up steam once and try to let it fall. But it just, once it got through it, or once it just started perking back up again, I really just didn't like it. And I saw some volume starting to rise and starting to grind up a little bit. As you can see, it's got a little bit of perk in the volume. I just went on ahead and covered it for the day. I did risk that it was going to fall further. I mean, it could have came up, tested this right up in here, 360 again, and then fell. But I didn't really want to take the risk or anything like that. With that being said, that is basically today's trade. Thank you all for watching. My course is actually getting ready to release if you guys want to know how I find these patterns and everything else and what patterns I do trade. So that being said, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. I will answer them because I have a free day pretty much. I got to run to the bank and that's about it. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.